Hey, I'm Matthias with Toast. I'm going to demonstrate how to install a Toast real wood cover on a Google Pixel 4. You're going to be able to turn your boring Pixel 4 into this awesome wooden phone. Toast offers Pixel 4 covers in 7 different woods. This is our zebra wood. We also offer custom text engraving. We even do custom engraving where you can get artwork, logos, totally customizable covers right here at toastmade.com. So we'll take a look at what's included in the full kit. There's a back cover with side wraps, a button set with a camera surround, and a screen surround or front cover. Also included is detailed instructions with diagrams and an alcohol wipe for cleaning your phone. So to start, we're gonna clean the phone. We're gonna focus on cleaning the sides and edges mostly because that's the most critical bonding piece. And then we're gonna just wipe off that alcohol with a clean rag. Get it nice and dry, free of any grease or oils. So to install the kit, we're going to start with the back cover, and that's going to install over the camera lens. Then that's going to give us alignment at the top, and then on the bottom we're going to be lining up with the USB-C. So we're just going to be using a dongle, or you can use the cable, plug that in to get that alignment on the bottom. We're just going to want to line up really nicely with that USB-C port. So when you're ready, you're going to peel back the backing paper, remove it completely from the back cover. And then we're going to pop it over the camera lens, and that's going to align the top nicely. Then we'll align with the bottom with the USB-C port. And you can shift it side to side if you need to get that alignment perfect. Once that looks good, we'll just pull the plug or cable out, and then we're going to roll the sides on. The best technique is actually just to press down on a table and roll those sides on. Make sure that it rolls on uniformly. Top and bottom all the same, just pressing down on the table and rolling up all the way to the front, pressing that wood on. So then that leaves the little corner wings, and those we're just going to press in with our fingers, really kind of looking to make sure the score lines line up nicely, so it's kind of continuous line from one piece to the other. All 4 corners. And then we're gonna roll the corners just like we did with the sides. Pressing down on the table, just roll around. And then you're gonna be pressing the wood into the phone. That really helps the adhesive bond and the wood to take that rounded shape of the phone. And the adhesive will develop strength over time. It takes about 70 hours for the adhesive to get to full strength. So you don't want to pick at the corners, and if you see anything kind of popping up, just roll it on a table and that will really help set it. And there you can see all those score lines line up really nicely, giving you that kind of uniform, geometric, origami look to it. So then we're going to install the button covers. We're going to start with the large camera cover. You can peel off that backing paper, and there we got the camera cover. We're just going to line it up over the cameras, set it on there, shift it if needed, and press that on. As for the buttons, just peel that backing paper off and see how those buttons are, and then separate them from the backing paper. And just align that nicely and give it a good press to help set the adhesive. Same with the power button. Line it up, press it on there. And we've got a little SIM card tray cover as well. So there you go, fully wrapped in wood. Button covers, camera lens. You can even see the ports are fully exposed and accessible. So now we're going to show you how to install the optional screen surround. This is a wood frame that matches up nicely to the back cover. And this is designed to work as well with screen protectors. You can apply it right over a glass or a plastic screen protector. So we're just going to grab an alcohol wipe and give it a good cleaning so we can get a good bond to the glass. So the front screen surround actually has a top and a bottom. The bottom area is a little bit thicker and has a score line on it. That's designed to take to the contours and also line up nicely with the existing score lines on the back cover. So to apply it, just peel off the backing paper. Careful, it's a little fragile until it's applied to your phone, and then align it nicely with the score lines. press the bottom edge and then along the sides up to the front edge. And just press that to set the adhesive. So there you go, fully toasted Pixel 4 in our zebra wood. This is a eco-friendly wood. It's actually reconstituted hardwood, stained to look like zebra wood instead of cutting down rare rainforest hardwoods. If you're enjoying these install videos, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you in the next video.